Yes, we want to look at this word problem. So let's read what it says. It says the sum of 6 times a number and 5 times another number is 648. So it's 6 times a number and 5 times another number, is 648. So we have that information. And then we are told again that, however, the difference between 2 times the first number and 5 times the second number is 600. Determine the two numbers. So to answer these kind of questions, the very first thing that you need to do is define the variables that you are going to use. So I'm going to define the variables as follows. Let x be the first number. And let y be the second number. So I have x and y being the two numbers, x being the first number and y being the second number. So it follows therefore that from the first statement here, 6 times a number, so I have 6 times x, which is 6x. The sum of that, which means plus another, and 5 times another number, so that is 5y, should give me 648. So you can see I've actually formulated an equation, and I can call this equation number 1. Now you look at the next statement. It says, however, the difference between 2 times the first number, so that is 2 times x, and the difference, that means that's minus, and 5 times the second number, 5y, that should give me 600. So I have two simultaneous equations there, which I can solve, and these equations is quite easy for us to solve. The easiest method that we can use to solve these equations would be elimination. However, there are several other methods that you can use to solve these equations, which could be substitution, which could be Cramer's rule. So if I am to add equation 1 plus equation 2, that means I have 6x plus 2x, which gives me 8x. 5y plus minus 5y give me 0. So that means 8x should be equal to, if I add these two, I'm going to get 1,000. Sorry, that's 8, that's 48, 1,248. So I have 8x is equal to 1,248. It follows therefore that x should be equal to 1248 over 8, which is equal to 156. 1,248 divided by 8 is 156. So I have now the value of x. To find the other number y, I can substitute the value of x in any of these two equations. So I can say substitute x is equal to 156 into, I can choose whichever equation, 1 or 2. Let me substitute into equation 1. So that means I have here 6x plus, in equation 1, that means I have 6 times the x, which is 156, plus 5y is equal to 648. So we want to find the value of y here. So 6 times 156, that gives me 936. So I have 936 plus 5y is equal to 648. That means 5y is equal to 648 minus 936, and that should give us 5y being equal to minus, that will be minus 288. So we can now divide by 5 both sides, minus 288 divided by 5, and that should give us, that's minus 5, that's 25, that's into 38, that's 7.6, minus 57.6. So we have found the value of y, and we found the value of x. Remember, x is the first number and y is the second number. So we have found these two numbers given this information. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel so we can be updated with several other questions that we can deal with here on this channel. And also like this channel and make some comments. From your comments, we can be able to create other videos to address your questions. Thank you so much for watching.